Click on the link below to get price. The Pulsar 200W portable dual-fuel quiet inverter generator is an impressive piece of machinery that seamlessly combines power, efficiency, and convenience. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, emergency backup, or even small home use, this generator delivers a robust performance while maintaining a remarkably low noise level, making it ideal for camping trips or tailgating events. One of the standout features of the Pulsar generator is its dual-fuel capability, allowing it to operate on either gasoline or propane. This versatility not only offers users more fuel options but also enhances the generator's runtime and operational flexibility. In terms of performance, it produces a maximum output of 2,200 watts, which is sufficient for powering essential appliances like refrigerators, lights, and small tools, making it a reliable companion during power outages or outdoor activities. Another commendable aspect of this generator is its quiet operation. With a noise level of around 58 decibels, it is significantly quieter than traditional generators, which can be disruptive in quiet environments. This feature is particularly beneficial when used in close quarters, such as campsites or residential areas. The Pulsar generator is equipped with a variety of outlets, including a USB outlet, which is a thoughtful addition that allows users to charge phones and other small devices without requiring a separate adapter. The control panel is intuitive and user-friendly, featuring easy-to-read gauges and a straightforward setup process. Portability is another key advantage of this model. Weighing in at a manageable level, it is designed with a compact form factor and built-in handles, making it easy to transport. The generator's durable construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. In conclusion, the Pulsar 200W portable dual-fuel quiet inverter generator stands out as a versatile, powerful, and quiet option for anyone in need of portable power. Its dual-fuel capability, low-noise operation, and practical features make it a worthwhile investment for both casual and serious users.